Which earrings do y'all think I should go with? Let's go with the mushrooms. Okay, now that I've got that sorted, let's get started with today's video. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. I'm Quinn, and today I am going to rate all of the yarn that I have ever used in my Centro. I thought that it might be useful to just go through all of the yarn I've used and talk about why it worked or why it didn't work, and maybe what to look for or what to avoid in the future for when y'all are buying yarn for projects that you'd like to make on your Centro. So for all of the yarn today, I'm not talking about, whether this is good yarn or bad yarn in general. I'm specifically talking about how it works in the machine. Like, all of this yarn is going to be great for something, whether it's crochet or you're hand knitting or you're knitting in the Centro. Don't take this as me saying that like yarn that is bad in the Centro is just bad yarn, because it's not. There's a lot of like very nice yarn that I've tried to use in the Centro that just does not work, but it works great with other kinds of projects. And I'm gonna go from worst to best, sort of loosely ranked, I guess. I'll put like a little number out of 5 under each one. How about that? I will put a picture of the yarn here, and I will put a little number, my little rating, under the picture. Maybe that would be good. That would be useful. So let's get started. First on my list is Pound of Love yarn from Lion brand. I tried it in the Centro and I couldn't even knit anything up. It just got stuck in my machine and I had to take out all the yarn and I could not make anything with it. Worsted weight is usually the best option for the Centro, but not this. This did not work. It has this texture on it that just likes to grip the machine, so the yarn doesn't really slide on the needles very well. So 0 to 5 for Pound of Love from Lion brand. Next up, I have Respun Thick and Quick from Lion brand. This is 100% recycled polyester, but it's super bulky. So the reason why I tried this out was because there's another yarn that we'll talk about later that was also super bulky that did work in the machine. Very exciting stuff. Get hyped, but not this one. This one didn't work. I was just very excited after this other super bulky yarn worked that I wanted to try out another kind, and it just didn't work. I couldn't knit anything up no matter how hard I tried, so 0 out of 5. Next is Dishy yarn from Knit Picks. I love Dishy yarn, but it does not work in the Centro. Dishy yarn is 100% cotton, and cotton yarn, I have yet to find cotton yarn that works well in the machine, which is such a shame because who doesn't love cotton yarn? You can knit something up with it, so that's why I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5, because although it's a huge pain, it can be done. You're just gonna have to pay very, very, very close attention to it, and you will be exhausted by the end of your project. Next up is the only sport weight yarn that I have ever tried in the machine, and that is the LB Collection Cotton Bamboo Linen yarn from Lion brand. Bad. Doesn't really work. I'd say it works about the same as the Dishy yarn. You can force it to work. I have forced it to work, but again, it's exhausting. I wouldn't do it again. It's just not worth it. And this cotton bamboo linen yarn really likes to split. So yarn that likes to split is also going to be a lot more challenging to work with in your machine, because the needles are just on your machine are just going down, and it's harder to control whether it's going to go through the little strands that split off from like the main part of your yarn, which isn't like the biggest deal in the world, but it might make it look a little messier. And it's a sport weight, so for me, if I'm using a sport weight in the machine, I'm gonna want my tension to be super tight, and that just, you know, that makes your machine have to work so much harder, and it's much easier for the yarn to just get caught on the needles. So 1 out of 5. Now we have another cotton yarn, Bare Cotton Boucle from Knit Picks. Again, I love this yarn. It's gorgeous. It's so soft. It's 100% tanguis cotton. Yeah, and I love this yarn, and I'm so sad that it doesn't work well in the machine, but it's cotton yarn, so what can we expect? That's why I said earlier that this is no bearing on like the quality of this yarn. This is just, it just doesn't work in the machine. This one I'm gonna give a 2 out of 5 because it's a little easier to work with than the cotton bamboo linen and the Dishy yarn, and the finished product I think is nicer. Just like, it knits a little more evenly, but it still isn't great. Mandala yarn from Lion Brand is next. This is 100% acrylic, and again it has that same texture as the Pound of Love, which was also 100% acrylic, where it's just, it's not very smooth. It has this more kind of rough texture. It's almost like you can feel the pigment, like the dye coming off of it, which isn't like a bad thing necessarily, but like that's just like the best way I can describe the texture of this yarn. And it just likes to get caught on the needles and try to pop off the machine, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not the worst. So 2 out of 5 for this, because it works. You just have to go slow, put some weights on your project, and it works, but it's not great. Next up, we have some more beautiful yarn that I wish worked in the Centro. It is Friday Harbor from Cascade Yarns. This is 80% merino wool and 20% silk. It's such beautiful yarn. It feels so nice, but it has that texture that we've been talking about that just doesn't work very well in the machine. It's a little thicker and it splits more easily, so it's just, you know, perfect storm of it just not working that well. But if you don't know how to hand knit and you don't know how to crochet and you want to use some like really nice yarn, maybe try it out. You're gonna have to be patient with it. But even though it's challenging in the machine, the finished product is like, it's very even. The fiber is just so nice. Like it's like almost worth it for me. So you could give it a try if you're willing to take a little bit of extra time just to get this really nice yarn. The next yarn that I'm going to talk about is like, it acts very similarly to the Friday Harbor yarn that I just talked about, and that is Retweed from Lion Brand. This yarn I used to make my Coraline sweater on the Centro, which like, it was quite a lot of work to make that sweater because the yarn was so difficult to use in the machine, but it was totally worth it in the end because it knit up very evenly. The yarn is beautiful, and it's also recycled yarn. It's recycled tweed. Some of Lion Brand's other recycled yarn products I don't think hold up as well after a few wears, but this holds up very well. So if you don't know how to hand knit, you don't know how to crochet, or you just would like to make something faster than hand knitting or crocheting something, then maybe give it a try. Because even though this yarn is a little challenging in the machine, it still only took me like, what, 3 or 4 days to make a whole big giant sweater. Like, that's pretty good. So it just maybe depends on how much time and effort you're willing to spend on something, because there are other yarns that we'll talk about later that work much better, but they aren't this yarn. So I don't know. I don't remember if I gave both of those yarns a score, but they both get a 2.5 out of 5. Yeah. Next one we have, please someone tell me, how do you say this brand of yarn? I see them all over, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Baracco Vintage Baby. That's the next one that we have. It is 52% acrylic, 40% wool, and 8% nylon. Wool, from what I can tell, basically always works really well in the centro, just like polyester yarn. But this one, it's like half acrylic, half wool basically, and it works pretty well. It's a DK weight, which I don't love to use in the machine, so I'm giving this one a 3.5 out of 5, mostly because of that, but also it does like to grip onto the needles a little bit and try to pop off, but that's nothing that weights can't fix. Put some weights on there and it will be perfect. You will have no issues. Now we're getting into yarn that like works pretty well. Like very few complaints. Some complaints, but very few. We have LB Collection Baby Alpaca yarn from Lion Brand. This yarn, first of all, is beautiful yarn. It is super, super soft and I love it. And it actually works pretty well in the machine. So this is also a DK weight, but even when you're knitting with like a super tight tension, you can still like crank the handle like fairly quickly. And I also tried doubling up on this yarn and it was amazing. When you're doubling up on the strands, I personally would pay closer attention to the needles just to make sure that no stitches are getting tucked. Other than that, like this works very, very well. I always am gonna prefer worsted weight in the machine, but this 4 DK weight, like it's pretty good. So 4 out of 5 for this one. Okay, next up, this is the yarn that I kind of teased earlier. I mentioned that there was some super bulky yarn that worked well in the machine, and here it is. It is Drops Andes by Drops Design. So this is 65% wool and 35% alpaca, and it's super bulky and it works in the centro. I have heard that Aran or even bulky weight yarn can work in the Addy. I have never heard of anything thicker than worsted weight working in the centro, and this super bulky works, and it works well. Like I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. Like that's how well it works. I just like can't believe it. I'm still in shock, and it knits up beautifully. Like it's super even, and you just have to make the tension loose. Like that's the key, I think. The fabric won't come out looking like it's loose knit, but while you're knitting it up, just make sure your tension is loose and you're not gonna have any problems. It's not gonna get stuck in the machine. It's insane, and I just am very excited. Next up we have another DK weight yarn. This is the LB Collection Superwash Merino yarn. So it's 100% merino wool, so it's very, very nice. I have used this yarn so many times. I love it so much. So I'm very glad that it works well in the machine, and it works very well when you double up on the strands too. I think out of all of the DK weight yarns that I've tried doing that with, where I double up on the strands, this works the best. That's why it's listed the highest. I'm giving this one a 4.5 out of 5. Again, really the only reason why I'm giving it less than a 5 out of 5 is because it's DK weight, and I just always prefer worsted weight. Sorry, that's just my rules. Now we have Red Heart Super Saver yarn that I bought at Joann's, and it works really well in the machine. This is 100% acrylic? Yeah. It's on the thicker side of worsted, and it does like to split a little bit more in the machine than other acrylic yarns, and I think mostly that is due to the fact that it's closer to an Aran weight yarn, but the finished product, like the fabric that you get from it, is like super even and beautiful and very nice. So 4.5 out of 5. This is the last one that we're going to talk about before we get into the 5 out of 5 best yarns, and that is the LB Collection Chainette yarn from Lion Brand. It works very well in the machine. It occasionally wants to like lift up off of the machine, but just put some weights on it and then you're golden. And the knit is like very even. It's beautiful, just like high quality yarn, and it's a worsted weight yarn, which is my favorite to work with in the centro. Now we're to the 5 out of 5 yarns. The first one that I have is Respun yarn from Lion Brand. It's 100% polyester, so it just works really well, and it is a worsted weight, which is just like the perfect weight of yarn for this machine. For this yarn, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 because it works very, very, very well in the machine, but I don't think it's the highest quality yarn, but it works so well in the machine and it's pretty inexpensive. So I think it is a really good option for anybody, but especially if you're just starting, you've only done a few projects or you've done no projects, I would highly recommend using this yarn. Next up is Woolies from Lion Brand. It is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's worsted weight and it works perfectly in the machine. This yarn is probably the one I've used the most on the Centro, this Woolies, and I have honestly never had a problem with drop stitches, tuck stitches. I've never had to use weights on any of my projects to like keep it from popping off of the machine. It seriously is like one of the best yarns I've ever used on the Centro. I would highly, highly recommend this if you are a beginner on the Centro. You just don't even need to pay attention to your project really, because there will be no issues. The yarn is just that good. So yeah, 5 out of 5. All right, we've got 2 more. I swear we're almost done. Next up we have Encore from Plymouth Yarn. This is 75% acrylic, 25% wool. And again, some of the best yarn I have ever used in the machine. You just don't need to pay attention to your project when it's on there because you won't have any problems. It's just perfect. It never drops or tucks stitches. Very even knit, like even tension throughout without even trying. Like, yeah, it's just the best. So 5 out of 5. The final yarn that I want to talk about is Fisherman's Wool from Lion Brand. This is the yarn that I used for that cottage core Centro cardigan that I made, if y'all saw that video, and it's just beautiful yarn. Like I made that same cardigan with the first 5 out of 5 yarn we talked about, the respun yarn, and I loved it. It was very easy to make and it's a beautiful sweater, but just like the jump in quality of the yarn is kind of outstanding. I still gave that polyester yarn a 5 out of 5 because it works so well on the machine, but this yarn I just think is nicer. It's just nicer yarn. I think that this is probably my #1 yarn. I would love to find some cotton yarn that works because you can't wear wool all year round, but it hasn't happened yet. So 5 out of 5. I think the takeaway from this is if you're trying to pick out yarn for a project to make on your Centro, probably go with worsted weight or DK weight or sport weight and double up. Probably go with wool, polyester, or acrylic yarn. And if it still doesn't work that well in the machine, then try a looser tension. That will probably help. And put weights on your project. That will also probably help. Any ones that I gave, like, honestly, like 3.5 and up, I would definitely recommend using. You can try those other ones, but just beware, they might be a little more challenging to work with. But any of those other ones, 3.5 and above, you could try them and they're probably gonna work well for you. I hope y'all found this useful. Maybe in the future when I have used a bunch more yarn on the Centro, I could make another one just to give y'all some more recommendations on yarn to use and yarn to stay away from. But for now, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Bye.